Today is July 17th. This is the 1967-68 Cadillac original vintage AM/FM radio. This is the Delco model 7303215. I'm doing a functional validation test for my friend Bruce out in California. The unit has been rebuilt and is now being bench tested one last time before being shipped out. In this particular variant of the model year, up until 68, both of the on-off knob as well as the dialing knobs were on the left side of the dial, as opposed to one on the left and one on the right. So that started in 69 up until 68, as is in this 67 version Cadillac Delco radio. Both knobs are on the left. The unit has been connected with a coaxial cable to an original Cadillac power antenna, and the unit is properly grounded, and it's powered to a normal battery, car battery, to the yellow wire, which is the plus 14V voltage terminal on the radio. So this is the AM/FM radio. I'll go ahead and turn it on.
As dignified as we have liked to admit.
And it's connected to an NRS. It's connected to an NRS 10 ohm period correct replacement speaker. 10 ohm being very important because that was a standard back in 1967 and 1968, unlike the 4 ohm modern speakers, whereby if you connect the 4 ohm modern speaker to a vintage radio, you'll burn up the radio. So the unit is an AM/FM radio. I'll turn it on. Okay, and now I'll go ahead and we're in AM mode now. I'll go ahead and move it to the FM mode, and we'll see the FM light come on this side. So I'll press the FM side of the actuating bar, and the FM signal comes on. And I'll set it to a preset music station that we have. Okay, some very nice Latin music there, and just that's the station that I happen to tune into. So this is the AM/FM radio going to my friend Bruce in California. This is for the 1967 Cadillac DeVille convertible, also suitable for the standard Cadillacs. This is the AM and FM models.
Sponsor of the program.
AM.
I know they are saving you clones a ton of coin on the very best selection of hardwood floors anywhere. It is time to upgrade your floors. Step it up. Stop into your neighborhood lumber liquidators today. As I mentioned,
turning it up and down so you can see how this is live, connected to this live speaker.
Something had to happen. Something had to give. And hour number one, Chino in San Antonio comes in. I never know you show up. He starts to call off by saying, I'm not coming in.
Okay, FM mode one last time. Okay, and today's July 17th. That's the functional validation test for the AM/FM Cadillac Delco radio for the 1967-1968 DeVille convertible. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 parts, and I restore the instrument clusters, the steering columns, and the steering wheels for all 1959 through 1976 Cadillacs and Cadillac Eldorados. Thank you very kindly.